This video I will explain what is Google Pay UPI Lite. Google Pay UPI Lite is a simple payment feature. Using that, you can make small UPI payments quickly without depending on your bank every time. Simple meaning. It is like keeping a small wallet inside the Google Pay for daily small payments. Now we will see why was UPI Lite introduced. Normally, when you pay using UPI, money goes from your bank account through the bank server to the receiver's bank. Sometimes this fails because bank server is busy, network is slow, payment gets stuck. UPI Lite solve this problem for small payments. Now we will see how Google Pay UPI Lite works. First you have to add money to UPI Lite. You move a small amount from your bank account into UPI Lite. For example, 200 rupees or 500 rupees. Next, pay using UPI Lite. When you make a small payment, money is deducted from UPI Lite balance. Your bank is not contacted each time. Next, balance reduces. Your UPI Lite balance goes down as you pay. You can add money again anytime. Now we will see some important concepts. First one, UPI Lite balance. This is the stored money inside Google Pay, separate from your main bank balance. Second one, small value payments. UPI Lite is meant only for small amounts like tea, snacks, bus fare, and grocery items. Third one is no bank load. Since the bank is not contacted every time, payments are faster and smoother. Now we will see UPI Lite payment limit. You can pay up to 1000 rupees per transaction. Maximum 5000 rupees can be stored in UPI Lite. Per day, you can spend up to 10,000 rupees from UPI Lite. These limits are set for safety and control. Here I have opened Google Pay app and here you can see UPI Lite. In my UPI Lite, I have 615 rupees. And here you can see up to 1000 rupees you can transfer in single transaction and maximum 5000 rupees you can add to the UPI Lite balance. And here you can see the add money feature. Using that you can add money to UPI Lite balance. Do you need a UPI pin for UPI Lite? No, UPI pin is not needed for UPI Lite payments. Why this is helpful? Faster checkout, no typing pin again and again, very useful for frequent small payments. Next question is UPI Lite safe? Yes, UPI Lite is safe. Why? Because limited balance, small transaction size, protected inside Google Pay app, same security standards as UPI. Even if something goes wrong, risk is limited. You have to use Google Pay UPI Lite for daily small purchases, shops you visit often, fast payments where delay is annoying. Do not use UPI Lite for large payments, important transfers, and emergency payments. Now we will see the difference between UPI Lite and normal UPI. UPI Lite is best for small payments. Normal UPI is best for all payments. UPI Lite does not need UPI pin. Normal UPI needs UPI pin. UPI Lite speed is very fast. Normal UPI speed depends on bank. In case of UPI Lite, bank server is not needed. In case of normal UPI, bank server is needed. Now we will see the summary. Google Pay Lite is a small wallet inside Google Pay. It is made for quick and small payments. No UPI pin is needed for each payment. Faster and fewer failures. Safe because of low limits.